bird is more at home in water, and they are masterful surfers. Penguins are found only in the southern hemisphere. They can't fly, but they don't need to. There are no polar bears here. These are Gentoo penguins. Each spring they come ashore to lay their eggs and rear their young. Their hungry chicks demand so much seafood that both parents have to go fishing. And fishing can be dangerous. A southern sea lion. It uses the speed of a breaking wave to catch up with the Gentoos. Sea lions normally eat fish, so he's used to catching streamlined swimmers. But the Gentoo seem more than his match out at sea. He must change tactics. Perhaps it will be easier in the shallows. But no, it seems penguins are uncatchable in water. How about on land? The penguin's wings, so powerful for swimming, are of no help when it comes to running. Now, surely the sea lion has a chance.